In this video, we review the IRS Fresh Start Program. Have you used the IRS Fresh Start Program before? What was your experience? Leave your IRS Fresh Start Program review in the comments section below. The IRS Fresh Start Program is designed to assist taxpayers struggling with tax debt by offering more manageable repayment options. Despite its promising name, the program's effectiveness and applicability vary among taxpayers. A significant number of taxpayers remain unaware of the program's existence. According to a 2024 report by the National Taxpayers Union Foundation, American taxpayers collectively spend 6.5 billion hours and at least $133 billion annually to complete tax returns. The IRS Fresh Start Program includes measures such as the Offer in Compromise (OIC), which allows taxpayers to settle their tax debts for less than the full amount owed. However, qualifying for an OIC is challenging, with many applicants being rejected due to stringent eligibility criteria. Additionally, the program's benefits are often limited, and some taxpayers report minimal reductions in their tax liabilities. Critics argue that the program's marketing can be misleading, leading taxpayers to believe they can significantly reduce their tax debts without fully understanding the requirements and limitations. Some tax relief services have been criticized for charging high fees and providing services that may not substantially benefit the taxpayer. For instance, a Reddit user shared their experience with a tax relief service that appeared professional but ultimately did not deliver the promised results. Moreover, the IRS has faced criticism for its handling of the program, with some taxpayers reporting delays and lack of communication. The complexity of the application process and the need for thorough documentation can be overwhelming for many individuals. In conclusion, while the IRS Fresh Start Program offers potential relief for taxpayers with tax debts, its effectiveness varies. Prospective applicants should approach the program with realistic expectations and be prepared for a potentially lengthy and complex process. It's advisable to consult with a tax professional to assess eligibility and understand the implications fully.